Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is another review and update on the Profit Retriever Expert Advisor. And I just want to show you my journey, how I use the Expert Advisor or the forex robot. In my previous video, you'll see that I blew my account, my main account, after 140 days. And that was a big disaster for me because I thought I'm beginning to trade now. I'll be able to trade like this for the next 7 years and reach all my financial goals. But I blew my account after 140 days, and that made me realize that the way I'm trading is not going to work. I need to find another way of using the profit retriever. I didn't go and look for another EA or forex robot because I feel that the profit retriever is still the best expert advisor or forex robot out there. But what I started doing was I went to the set files that Expert Forex provides us, and I went to look at the data there. And what I soon realized was that these events that make your account blow up doesn't happen that often. Actually, it happens about only 10% of the trades, and I'll show you now how I work that out. The other thing that I noticed with the set files that Alex provides is that the indices, they make the indices make the most profit per year, because in the set files Alex gives you he does the testing, and then he gives you the results that he tested over the previous year. I just want to see if I can show you here. Here's you get the full database and all the robots that they have. They give you the results. But like I said, I realized that the indices, when you trade the indices, not the forex pairs, make the biggest profit. So what I did was then I downloaded the results from what Alex provides, and I'm using, in this case, I downloaded the US 30 index, and it's a $10,000 account, and it grew to 140,000, or the net profit was 140,000. So that means that was 1,400% increase over the last year. This was run from 1st of August until the 29th of July. So you can see the results. You can see here it opened up 9 trades, and then it cashed in the 9 trades. Then it opened 1 trade, then 4 trades, then 1 trade, then 2 trades. And these are the trades that you want. These small trades where it cashes in all the time. One trade, cash in every time. It makes $62 every time there. 3 trades, 1 trade, 2 trade, 3, 1, 1, and it goes on. Here's a bigger one, that's 6 trades, and then look at this big one. That is 27 trades. So this account survived that 27 open positions, and he's got it at a very conservative setting. He starts with 1.4 lots, and then it decreases. I don't know what the percentage is, but it goes to 1 lot. So later on, it only opens up 0.01 lot. I think that's a mini lot. But anyway, so there it survived, and then again 2, 1, 2, 2, and these are okay, 5. So then I thought, but how many times does it do that? How many times does it go to more than 5 trades? And that's when the risk starts, when it opens up more than 5 trades. So I went down this one. I just need to go all the way down. In that year, it was 21,000 trades. So I had to go through all this. So here's my working file, and then I checked. Then look at this. There was one instance where there were 203 trades open, 183. Look at these 103 trades open, but it only happened once, and then I'll go down. But how many trades, how many times it opened? Only one trade. 1,800 times it opened up only one trade and cashed in. 2 trades, 1,000. 3 trades. So then I try to work out, okay, 5 trades. How many times does it open up 5 trades? It's 3,480. And that's out of 3,700 instances or events. So that tells me that 93% of all trades that open up is only 5 trades open. So then I'm thinking, but what if I close? If it doesn't cash in after 5 trades, and I just manually close it, and I don't run the risk of opening up these big ones like that. And the time that is used to open up 203 trades, it sometimes a month. It will run while it's waiting to cash in. So you're wasting, in converted commas, a month of trading. So 93% of the trades only open. Then why? Let's test and see what happens if I do some manual intervention. So then I went and opened up a FTMO account. Just want to see which one it is. It's this one. I opened up a 100,000 account. This one is paused now. I'm testing on pound Kiwi at the moment with the same strategy, but it's much slower with the forex. But because there's so many trades with US 30, you can see I've just stopped it here now, but I can switch it on. Let's switch it on. So all I do is I just monitor the open trades. Okay, the forex is also in between now, but I can use the run info. You can say, okay, there's one trade open and it's +4 at the moment, but let's let it run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to monitor this. As soon as it gets to 5 trades, then I need to decide, must I close it manually or not? Because I can just click this button here, close run on the EA, and it will close all the positions and will start over. And here you can see it's not very clear. Maybe if I move it here, you can see here initial buy, now buy. So it tells you it's in a buy mode now. I've set it to SMA2, but you can also do it on the MA. You can just set it at 4. I've seen it work on 4 as well. So okay, now it's going in the right direction. It's cashing in. There you can see it's cashing in, already made $20, $32 there. So it's all fine now. So I'm just leaving it and monitoring it. It's still only one open, so that's great. So as soon as it goes to 4 or 5, then I must then decide to manually close it or not. But what happens now is it will never go to 200 trades open or 10 trades open, and you've got to wait and you worry and you've got these big drawdowns, because you can just imagine the drawdown on 200 trades that are open. I just want to show you, I don't have a FX Blue, I didn't open up an FX Blue account for this, but I want to show you on the on my okay, let me just show you. This is my FTMO account. So this is on a very low, it's only 30. It's on this is a swing account, and the leverage is only 30, so that's very low. But you can see I traded here, but then what happened is I forgot it open, and when I came back, there was this big drawdown, but I closed it and it just went on again, and I've been monitoring ever since. I don't leave it. I keep an eye on it. I don't let the EA run without me not being there. So, so because I had that huge drawdown there, you can see I went over, so it went busted. This is the free trial account on the 100,000 account. So I passed. So it's 9 days passed, and the maximum loss I passed that. profit target is 5,000, but I've made 11,000 and it's still trading. But yeah, unfortunately, I did that one big drawdown of 6,000, and I just closed it, if I remember correctly. But it was too late. It was already then, I think, 20 trades open. So I missed that one. So you need to only trade while you're at the machine. And you can see what I did every day. Here's 1,600. There's a big loss. Then 2,900, 2,000, 1,000. So what I did then was I opened up another account. Just want to log out here. Because I didn't want to wait for that one to go through the 10 days. But this one I've had better success. So again, I've opened up a smaller account, a 25,000 account, and this one is successful so far. But just keep in mind, this is early successes. I've only been testing this now for the last 2 weeks. This account's only been running for 3 days, but I've already passed. You can see they've changed their graph. You can see the profit target is 1,250. I've already made 1,600. The first I made 625, then 650, then 385. And you can see in this graph, there's a big drawdown. So that's when I manually closed the chart. When I saw, no, it's going the wrong direction, or it's going to open up too many open positions, or I'm going to hit my maximum drawdown for the day, or for the whole 10 days. So I manually close that. So far so good, and I think it can work. I just want to show you that account. So no, it's not this one, sorry. Okay, so I've closed this one. So there you can see 26,600, but this is a US 30. So let me just go to a bigger chart to show you. Oh, that is too big. So I can anytime just click here, allow re-entry, and we'll go on. You can see the gaps where, so I'm only trading when I can watch it. So as soon as I see this thing is going over 5 trades, or I've had more, I've had 9 trades open as well. But if I see it's going the right direction, it will recover, then I leave it. So you use your own discretion, but that's also the risk, because you've got to use your own discretion. It's not, there's still emotion involved. But so far so good, I think. You must, yeah, let me know what you think about this way of trading. After the 10 days, I might go for the real trial and test this new strategy. But I'll do it on the small account, the 25,000 account. So if it doesn't work, then my loss will not be that big. The other thing is, because this leverage, this one I've put 100 leverage. So it's not the swing account, it's the regular account. So I'm just testing it, but I see it's also very manageable. So I keep the 1 minute chart open, and then I trade that way. I just want to show you the other one that's open now. I'll keep on going to the wrong chart. So, okay, there's 3 trades open, minus 9. So I can now go to trading view and have a look at the chart, the 1 minute chart and the 5. But this, see, it looks like it's going down. See, there might be a big drop here, and that might be a risk to my open positions, too many open positions. I can also go to the 5 minute. See, there I had quite a big run here now, and it's on the RSI, it's overbought, and the MACD, it looks like it's ready to turn. So I'll be watching this very closely now. So I can manually see it's plus 11 there, so I just can close it. Close. It's plus $7. So now my chart is closed, and I can wait for a better opportunity to open it. because at the moment it's on buys. You can see all the buys here, and it will not change immediately. But what I can do to change it immediately to sells is I need to go into the robot settings, and then just instead of going same trade same as MA direction, I can just click on that and change it to make it reverse, go to reverse direction. But I'm not going to do that right now. And then as soon as I click allow trade re-entry, it will start opening sell positions. So I can actually do that. Oh, I pressed allow. Okay, it's going to open up another. See, you can see it's buy, but I'm just going to close that. It's small loss. Then just go to expert, and then I change this to reverse, and then re-entry. Then you'll see there it opens up a sell, because I think it's going down now. So let's see what happens. And here you can monitor it. You can see it's -3, -1. There's only one position open, so it's all manageable and happens slow enough. I will advise when there's events or when the opening of the US market and so on, I would also not trade in those events. You can see here I've set it to start at 0.9 and then increase to 1.5 lots. So that's 125%, and then increase by 0.5. But that doesn't matter that much because I'm not going to let it allow to go too far. Ideally, if I see it goes in the wrong direction, I must close it before 5 positions are open and just take that small loss and then try to recover, because it makes money very quickly. You'll see if you I started off with the settings that I get in the set files on the forum. But if you email me, I can also send you these set files, and then you can use that as a starting point. So you can see it's going down. It's a little bit slow now. I don't want to make the video too long, but yeah, it's very easy to manage. So if you want to close it now, close, run, yes. And there I make $11. So that is my new strategy. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I think it's an alternative way to use the profit retriever in a manual way. And if you use it in this manual way, the advantage is you'll be able to use this on an FTMO account that we weren't able to use before because of this huge drawdowns. And I think with a manual intervention, you will not see that huge drawdowns and all the stress that goes with the huge drawdowns and waiting for it to recover. And sometimes I've waited like a month sometimes for it to recover. And by using a little bit of manual intervention, I think you won't have that stress. I have asked Alex to put in a feature where you can set the max open lots, but he said that's not what the profit retriever was built for. It's a continuous trading robot, so they don't want to add that feature, which is unfortunate. But I think if more people come forward and ask for that feature, maybe you'll create another robot with that feature, and not necessarily on the profit retriever, but more a day trading profit retriever robot. Maybe call it something else. So yes, I still highly recommend the profit retriever. You can buy it for as little as $180. It's the best trading robot that I've come across in the last 4 years of trading. And if you buy it outright, it's $450. But if you buy it through first join the forum and then buy it, you only pay $180. And it's a once off. That's one of the big beauties of this robot, is that it's only a once off amount. that you pay. It's not a monthly recurring fee. So that makes it massive value for money. And you've got all these details here. I'll put my referral link in the description below for the Profit Retriever, and also other tools that I use to use this Forex robot. So yes, if this video was any help to you, please give us a thumbs up. Otherwise, give us a thumbs down. And then subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can give you future updates. So yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.